Hi friends, welcome to Smita's Kitchen. Today I have come up with another recipe of Indian sabudana khichdi it's called. I'm going to go with the ingredient first and then we'll prepare. This is a quick version of this recipe. A lot of people know how to make this recipe, but I have changed one thing and it became very quick. So I hope you like it, and let's look at the ingredient. Okay, so let's go with the ingredient first. This is the sabudana which I have soaked for 8 hours. You can see how fluffy it is. This is how you want it when you do it. So I'm going to show you how to come up with this consistency. I have 2 boiled potato cut in medium size. I have 1 cup of roasted peanuts and I have grind it coarsely. You don't want to make it a powdery foam, so keep it little coarse. Oil, salt, green chili chopped fine, little bit of ghee or clarified butter, cilantro, sugar, juice of 1 lemon, ginger paste and a cumin. First I'm going to show you how to soak the sabudana or the topieca, and we'll go from there after that with the cooking part. Okay, so here I have taken 1 cup of sabudana. It's the dry, comes in a dry form. This is how it's spelled, sabudana over here, and usually you can find it in an Indian grocery store, also now available in Asian markets. So we are going to take 1 cup of sabudana and wash it with the water like you do the rice. It's the same process. I'm going to rinse it real good and take all the starchy, little bit powdery part out so it becomes clean. To do it couple of times and it will be good to go after that. So you take all the water out, and then for 1 cup of sabudana we are going to take about 1 cup of water and just add that, and that's it. And you can see it's not too much water, it's just on the top of the sabudana layer, and you can cover it for 6 to 8 hours and it's ready to go. Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm going to turn the heat to a medium high, and I have taken the non-stick pan over here. In this pan I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. This tastes very good with the ghee. You can omit the ghee and just use 2 tablespoons of oil if you don't want to use the ghee. So as I told you, this is a quick version of the traditional dish. What I did, instead of the raw potato, usually they use the raw potato, I'm using the boiled potato. So all I have to do is mix everything together and it's done. When the oil and ghee will start heating up a little bit, I'm going to add the cumin seeds. Okay, so I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Then I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of chopped chili. You can reduce it if you want less spicy, or you can add more. Then I'm going to add this 2 boiled potato in it. After this, everything just goes in. Topieca, peanuts, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and about 3 teaspoon of sugar. In this I'm going to add juice of 1 lemon. If you can use lime if you want, lemon, lime, both will work fine. Okay, and mix everything together. Okay, that is all to it. I'm going to cover it for a few minutes, and when we take the cover, it will be done. Everything is cooked and soaked, so it doesn't require too long of a time to cook. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let me check. So as you see, it's already cooked and the potatoes are cooked, so I don't need to cook anymore. I'm going to add some cilantro. Okay, and turn off the heat. And I'm going to serve it in a plate. Okay friends, so this is the sabudana khichdi. It's ready. It got done in very quickly, as you saw. I am serving it with some plain yogurt. You can serve with the green chutney we made in previously. I'll put a link for that one. so you can have that recipe, and this you can use it for the breakfast or for the evening snack. It's a very famous recipe, and also people use it when they do the fasting, and when you do the fasting you can use this one. Okay friends, thank you for watching my recipes. Please visit my website and my social media. You will find some more quick recipes over there, and I hope you like it and give it a try. Thanks again.